It's cold out here. Good morning, everybody. Wanted to reach out to you, to all those business owners out there who might be looking at website processing and online payment processing for your business, especially with the COVID environment, everything going on these days. Setting up payment processing online is essential to help grow your business and stay up with all the changes going on in our culture and in our society these days. I mean, shoot, look at the COVID environment. Everything's going digital and everything's going online these days. So if you've got a business and you're looking to take credit cards for that business online, tell me what's better. Process for 2.9% with PayPal and Stripe, or to pay less than 1% on most debit cards with First American, where we can give you local customer service. You can call or text our team anytime, 24 hours a day. Which one's better? I mean, shoot, you can go with the big companies, you can go with the PayPals, you can go with the Stripes, everybody knows them. You can go with Square. You can pay a flat 2.9 or a flat 2.6 or shoot 3.5% if you key enter it with Square. Or you can pay less than 1% on most debit cards. How do we do that with First American, you might ask? Well, we're a highly regulated business, and back in 2010, the government passed a regulation. In fact, it was called the Durbin Amendment, capped debit rate fees, sponsored by Dick Durbin in Congress, by the way, you may know. Capped debit rate fees on all debit cards issued by large banks. Basically, the stipulation is any bank with 10 billion in assets or more is considered a regulated bank. Well, any of those debit cards issued by those large banks are capped at less than 1%. So anybody that pays you with a Wells Fargo card or a Chase card or that would also include U.S. Bank, Bank of America, any of those large banks, any of those debit cards that goes through there are going to be, the interchange rate is be capped at less than 1%. Well, the funny thing about that regulation is when they cap those debit rate fees by all large banks and they lowered the interchange rate, most processors kept the rates the same. So that's why you see the PayPals, you see the Stripes, you see the Squares, who have the flat rate at 2.9% or 3.5% or whatever the case may be. They kept the rates the same. The interchange rate went down. All that did is it helped them make more money. We don't do that at First American. We pass the savings along to you and give you that lower rate. We want to help businesses out there thrive and succeed, especially in today's environment, where business owners are struggling just to make it through the challenges that we face each and every day. Let us help you do that at First American. Not only are we going to help you save money, put that money back in your pocket, but also give you the peace of mind of that technical support and that service that you need. We just got a call this morning, actually, from a business owner who had a dispute with a cardholder on a charge, basically saying he doesn't want the product anymore and he doesn't want to pay for it. And he won't return it. And he thinks they should be able to just keep the product, but not have to give the money back. And so he disputed the charge. See, by Visa MasterCard regulations, every cardholder has the legal right to dispute any charge for 6 months from the date of that transaction. And if that happens to you, who are you going to turn to? You're going to call an 800 number and sit on hold for a half an hour and hope your processor is going to help you? Our customers can literally call our cell phone. He just texted me this morning. And we're going to go to bat for him. Got all the documentation. It took him about 5 minutes with me on the phone to help him through that process. We're going to go to bat for him. We're going to help him fight off that chargeback and do everything we can to go to battle with the card issuing banks to help him fight off that chargeback. Because the business owner didn't do anything wrong. He rendered a service. He offered them a product. and you got paid. Let us help you at First American. Who are you going to turn to if there's a problem or an issue like that? You need that dedicated service. You need that dedicated support. So somebody's going to help you walk through that process. And you may think to yourself, well, I never have a problem with or an issue with my credit cards. What if something like that happens to you? What if you run into a fraudulent charge? What if you run into a card holder who wants to take advantage of the system? Let us help you at First American. Call or text our team today. Just click below. We'll help you with your online processing. We'll help you set up at lower rates, lower fees, put that money back in your pocket for your family so you can help achieve your dreams and help you thrive and succeed in today's environment and take advantage of the digital marketplace, which is growing by leaps and bounds. Let us help you do that at First American. God bless. Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. And thanks to all of us from First American. We appreciate all your business over the year. And we can't wait to serve you in 2021 and help you thrive and grow and do even better in the coming year.